Alright, welcome back everybody to yet another video in the inventory series that we are doing. We have an issue. I recorded a video like 8 days ago or something, and the video got corrupted, so I can't really upload it, which is horrible. It was like a 20-minute video or something where I'm pretty sure I made some fixes, but I can't for the life of me figure out what it was that I actually did. I think I just did some widget cleanup. It wasn't anything that actually had to do anything with the chest. It was like a pause video in between where I fixed some stuff, but I have no idea what I actually did. It was like over a week ago. So it kind of sucks. So we're just gonna continue with the chest stuff, and if you see weird things that you don't have in the actual inventory component, let me know in the comments and maybe I can figure it out and go through the changes I did. Yeah, we kind of need to finish this so I don't fuck everything up. Oops, I shouldn't have said that word. But yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, let's just keep at it. This series is getting long, like video 54 or something. Probably gonna need a couple more videos. So yeah, we started setting up this chest. Can open up, so we can drag this, but nothing happens. So we kind of want to open our inventory when we open the chest as well, so that we can like drop stuff in there. And grab stuff from our inventory and drop it into the chest. So that's what we are gonna do. And I really hope the sound is working now. I also did another video where the audio got messed up, so it's like 2 hours of work not recorded. So yeah, let's get going. Let's we have our inventory components and we have our inventory widgets. So we kind of just rename this. Yeah, so that is fine. So when we overlap, actually not, when we interact, wherever that is. Just close some stuff. Oops. Yeah, right. Nope. Where am I even interacting? Is it in the character? Ah, yeah. Try interact. So, open chest, show chest inventory. We also want to show inventory. And we create this inventory graph reference. So we're gonna get equip. We need to go into here and we need to make this a variable as well, this equipment slot box. We need to grab it. set visibility to collapsed. We're going to comment this to hide the equipment slots when we open a chest. I think I'm going to start commenting stuff, especially when I do this like long projects. I need to do that to keep track of what I've done. So that should make it so we open this, so that is fine. And is interacting. We are gonna hide inventory. So let me just see. Yeah, so we can see that that's working. We now have our inventory open here as well. So now, okay, yeah, so the drop slot is covering this. So you can see now that when I hover this one, it doesn't actually hover. And yeah, it registered like the drop from the drop slot. You can see. So what do we do about that? This border here, you have the C order. The order priority this widget is rendered in, higher values are rendered last. So if we set this to 1, that means this should be rendered on top of the drop widget. That did not work. Let me just see. Because it is working there. Drop slot 0, 0. I'm not setting 0. Okay, we can do this like this. If we swap these around, I think it should work. So now we're creating the chest inventory after we're creating the normal inventory. There we go. Question is now. Works. Okay, good. Perfect. I just thought of an easier way to do this though. So now we can still drop stuff, right? And that might be weird. So we're actually gonna do like this. We're gonna get our drop slot. Or no, let's not do that. Because maybe you want to drop stuff when you have the chest open. So we want to kind of copy this logic. And we want to go to the chest inventory. And we want to get a override on drop. We're gonna copy over the function. We're not using interfaces, no. So that means we have to copy this, get helper inventory helper get inventory component. Gotta paste it in here. We're gonna refresh. Create local variable. There we go. And now we want to exchange this drop function. So we shouldn't do this drop item. Instead, just looking what I've done. So this is always gonna be false. So we're gonna get the drop item function. Gonna duplicate that. We're gonna do move item to chest. This is always gonna be false, so we can remove that. Sorry for being quiet. I just have to think. Current stack from quick slot is always going to be false, so like that. Yeah, that's fine. So we are gonna call the move item to chest instead. Go. So we swap out this drop item function. Just control click on the pins to move them like that. Like so. Mm. And then we need to actually move the item to the chest as well. How do we do that? We need a new function. Server move item to chest. It's going to be run on server and reliable. What's it called? Current. Actor to interact with. This is what we're gonna get, which is the chest we are currently interacting with. Then we have to go to the chest. In here we have the chest inventory. So we will do another function. Chest that item. going to be run on server. Get the inventory. We will add and we're gonna make that as an input. This is replicated, so this is running on the server, so that's gonna replicate the clients as well. So we're gonna do the inventory. So target is BP master inventory item. We're gonna add a function here in our blueprint library. Call chest add item. Gonna do an input of master inventory item class reference. And I guess amount to add. So we called move item to chest. So this pretty much removes it from the inventory. So after this, we want to call the server move item to chest. And this needs to take an input of the item as well. And an integer. The amount. Call chest add item. Sorry if I'm not energetic. I'm extremely tired. Long day of work. Oh, not there. and we're gonna plug in the item to drop and the amount to drop. And I probably forgot something, but let's see. Pick up some boots. Yeah, that didn't work. More than one is false. Is equal to consumable is false. So let's not update the inventory component. Now there we go here. That's a drop. It should be 1. So that means we should remove. Let's see what happens. Oh, because for some reason we're dropping it. So this still triggers. Doesn't trigger. That's good. Oh, yeah, we don't need to spawn an item. Can remove that. Check all consumables. What's for sale? Do we get here? Item drop to chest. That is good. So that shouldn't matter. So that means we should be calling this one. So we get here. That is good. Go chest inventory. Something wrong somewhere. So technically we should... Okay, let me see. No. Technically we should be creating an item slot here. Why isn't that working? So just no. Shield. Hmm. So this number of columns function variable needs to be set to something other than 0, otherwise it will just stack on top of each other. It's gone. That is working. And this does get triggered. No, not the drop slot. Move that one. Oh, sorry, I need to pause. I have no idea what's going on. 1 second. Yep, I am back. Very silly mistake, because we're doing interfaces now, so that means we also need to implement the interfaces, obviously. So I wasn't actually calling this because we're calling an interface, so we need to do event, add item, event call, just add item, and it should actually be enough to do this, I believe. Don't think we need that server event because we're already on the server, because from this here we are calling a server event, so we are already on the server. So let's see if that works. Yeah, there we go. So now the item is in the chest. Now we just actually need to update this as well. And this might cause an issue. Because there might be quotes on our player or on our here when we call this is a server event, so that's gonna take like a millisecond. So if we just if we just get this and update, I need to, my naming conventions, oh my god. Actors interact with current interactable is better. I will remember that. There we go. So this might actually cause an issue if there's a delay, because we're sending this to the server, right, to add stuff. But if the client updates the inventory too quickly before this server knows about this, it might actually cause an issue. Ah, yeah, okay, so yeah, and we saw that we had an issue there, and also when also need to clear, we need to get, so we add all these slots. Before we do this upgrade, we need to clear all the slots in the chest inventory widget. But now we have this issue that we actually don't really what? I am clearing this. So when we call this, it should remove all. Ah, no, we can't clear. Sorry, we need to all inventory slots. We need to, for each, remove from parent. And now we can clear it. So first we remove all of the old ones. And then we update them. Let's see if that works. So we can see that it's working now. This is already a long video, 39 minutes. Sorry about the low energy on me. I actually woke up a bit now when I solved that project, so I'm gonna try to record another one. I really need to finish this before I lose my mind. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, peace out.